That is fan-bloody-tastic free marketing for you. You should definitely take advantage of that. So if you've got friends that want to share your stuff on their Facebook page, definitely have them do that. As always, get them to do that through a storefront URL. Do not send that directly to your Facebook product page if you can help it. If you can't help it, don't worry. But where you can help it, use a storefront URL. And I've covered that in my training if you're not sure how to find that. And the reason that that's okay is because of the way that Facebook interplays, uses its data here in Australia. So in America, Facebook's data is for sale to anybody that wants to buy it. I can go and buy Facebook's data through third-party brokers and then get access to crazy levels of information about people on Facebook. I can go and buy that anytime I want. And of course, Amazon buys that because Amazon wants to utilize that data to make better product recommendations for the people who go shopping on Amazon.com. Now, the backside of that is that Facebook also sees, of course, relationships between two people, which means Amazon then gets to see relationships between two people. So if you're getting lots and lots of reviews on Amazon and you are getting them through your friends on Facebook, then just know Amazon will find out. Amazon's going to find that out. That's why I say use friends of your friends to get your reviews from. Don't use your Facebook friends to get reviews. Now, caveat, that is currently the situation as it applies to Amazon.com. Now, right now, as it stands, you cannot buy in Australia data from Facebook for Facebook in Australia, nor can you in the UK, etc., etc. So that rule, friends of friends reviewers, applies to Amazon.com particularly. Outside of that, you can be a little bit more loosey-goosey for now, and that's why it's okay for Sue to do what she's doing. Go and get her friends to post her storefront URL on their page, and it's A-OK to do that right now. Okay, so that's just to give a little bit more kind of insight into the way that Facebook and Amazon play with each other, the way that Amazon buys the data from Facebook. You've got to be thinking about these things, particularly when you're engaging in review manipulation, which is what we do, of course. You've got to think those things through and how you do them. There's a lot of other things as well with how you get your reviews. You want to make it, of course, as natural looking as possible. I've covered that in past reviews, but consider how it looks to Amazon when you're getting reviews, and how your reviews, what they say in your reviews, matters as well, because most people just leave like a 5 or 10 word review. They're not writing big long posts detailing everything. It's just a 5 or 10 word review, and that's what most people do. So again, think about that sort of thing. So Sue, first and foremost, congratulations on selling and getting up there and making money on Amazon. That's awesome. Also, congratulations on having the sort of product where your friends want to share, and I say go for it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.